Hi, my name is Ishan Mittal and I'm from Alwar, Rajasthan, and currently I'm working as an assistant manager for an authorized Maruti dealership. I scored the highest in my listening section with a band score of 8.5, and what I think helped me a lot to score well in the section was the IELTS starter kit that was provided to me when I registered for the exam, and it provided me with a comprehensive approach to the entire section and helped me ace the section. I read a few of the blogs that were available on the internet that helped me to understand the pattern of the exam, and that helped me to prepare myself in that particular manner to succeed at the exam. What I liked about the computer delivered IELTS was the rate at which it gives you the results. As compared to the written test, it gives you the result within 5 to 7 days, and that was really necessary for me because I was in the application process and I needed to fill out my applications with my IELTS score, so that really helped me a lot. When I started preparing for IELTS, I was a little bit weak in the reading section, mostly because I couldn't get the accurate answer that was required. So I kept practicing using the IELTS kits and the IELTS online material that was provided to us, and I was able to succeed at the section as well. Okay, so on my phone and over the internet, I was watching some of the IELTS online videos that were available on YouTube and on other platforms as well, and that really helped me a lot since they gave me a clear picture of what the exam was going to be and what needed to be done in the exam. The only tip that I would like to share for the exam day is to be calm and to go ahead with a calm sense of mind, because it is just an English proficiency test and it is nothing else other than that. So I think if you're just calm and if you're just strong about your concepts, then you will do very well. Number one, I would like to tell them to go through the practice material and give a little bit time for their preparations before they go for the exams, because it might not be what you expect the exam to be. And second, I would just tell them to be really calm about the whole procedure and just go with a strong, confident mind. Yeah, thank you.